Steve Thomas, Hermon. I just want to point out, your next activity is going to, you're going to be approving the consent calendar as written. And I just want to mention that, the minutes that are included with the consent calendar are not correct. The clerk did not include that there was a vote on resolve 24, 25, 20 at the last council meeting. That was a legal vote. The town's attorney was involved with a conversation. The vote failed. It was a 3-3 vote. And because it failed, there are council rules to address that. And I do have a copy for the, if the council would like to see the rules, but that motion did fail at the last council meeting. And so there are certain steps that you guys are supposed to follow if you are going to reconsider. But for the record, I believe that the minutes should be updated to reflect that there actually was a vote.
Yeah, I don't see it on. That's
Say
something that we
24,
should.
25, what?
24, 25, 20. Steve, you get the rules to that?
What's that?
You get the rules with you on that?
Yeah.
Let me see those.
I'll highlight it for you now. So here, if there is a vote, if you're going to reconsider, that's supposed to go.
Says any member voting in the majority or in the negative in a tie vote may make a motion to reconsider, provided that the motion is made at the same or the next scheduled meeting. So is that saying we need to re-vote on that?
I'm not showing anything in the minutes that says anything about it. All it says in the minutes was tabled until February 13th council meeting, but it doesn't talk about the vote.
No, it wasn't a vote.
Wasn't there an
But
amendment that we were
but
gonna
there-
table it?
There was a vote before that where we. Yeah.
Right, but was the motion withdrawn?
No. It was not withdrawn.
I don't think so, no.
You guys actually voted. There were some questions and Tim P said that you guys had to vote on that. And so you did vote and it was 3-3.
Yeah.
John, Ron and Josh voted to revoke the lease agreement.
Yep, and then after that, there was a motion to table it. He's right, but I don't know where to go from here.
The end, it has what you do next. Oh, should have done.
What was that, Haley?
I wouldn't tell you how to do it.
So we can legally vote on that again. You know, Steve, can we legally vote on that again?
The way it would work is that one of the individuals that voted no, and in this case, they voted to support the pantry, they would have to make a motion to reconsider. And so that would be Richard, Terry, or Chris would have to make a motion to reconsider. And if it fails again, then the council's not supposed to consider it for at least 90 days.
And how would we vote to reconsider it?
So I move
Has to
that we.
pass by 2/3.
Wait a minute. So if they reconsidered and they changed their mind,
I'm thinking that, it's on the, agenda. I would assume that when you get to that agenda item, if one of those individuals wants to reconsider, at that point, they would have to make a motion first to reconsider.
That motion has to be voted on by 2/3 majority.
okay, so probably we can accept the consent calendar minus the vote.
I would add the vote.
Would you say that again, please?
Yeah, okay, we can do that. So we can accept the consent calendar.
And add that the
With-
council voted on that resolve and it failed with a 3-3 vote.
That makes sense to everybody? Need a motion to,
What's Kristen's thoughts on this?
Give me a minute.
Steve's reviewing it.
It's just a technicality, really. It doesn't mean you can't vote on it, it just means 2/3 of you have to agree that you will allow it to be voted on.
One eternity later.
She looking up something?
She's reviewing the video.
Steve, you can have this back.
You can keep it, throw it out, I guess.
6.5 hours later.
So the first vote was a tie, 3 yeses, 3 nos.
The consent calendar with the addition of the vote from last meeting with the 3-3.
So we need a motion to,
You just need a motion to accept the consent calendar
I move we
with
accept
that
the-
addition in there.
I move we accept the consent and with the addition of the vote, on item 25. Where is it?
It's not in this week's.
25,
25, 24, 24, 20, 24, 25, 20.
I
Okay.
second that.
The movement second, can we have a vote on that, Krista?
Josh,
Yes.
Richard,
Yes.
Chris,
Yes.
Terry,
Terry?
Yes.
Ron,
Yes.
Derek.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Steve.